Artbot activated. TVO Kids, Artbot is my name, and looking at your art is my game. I think it's time we take a look at a couple of your names now. This one is amazing, from Logie, age 8. Well done, Logie. I love the colors, so creative. Now let's take a look at another one. This one is by Sam, age 11. I love it, Sam, and the little caterpillar with it. That is amazing, Sam. Let's see one more, TVO Kids. This one's by John, age 8. Wow, so creative, John, with that pencil. It looks amazing. Remember, TVO Kids, keep being creative online, tvokids.com, and I would love to show your art here. Until next time, I'm Artbot.
Stay right where you are. There's more fun to come on TVO Kids Weekends.